Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-2 online. Filing your W-2 electronically offers significant advantages, primarily speed and accuracy. It minimizes errors often associated with paper forms and ensures your information reaches the tax authorities much faster. We'll cover everything from gathering your essential documents to selecting the right online platform, and finally, successfully submitting your tax information. This process is designed to be straightforward, saving you time and reducing stress during tax season. Before you begin filing, it's crucial to have your W-2 form from each employer. This document contains vital details like your wages, tips, and other compensation, along with federal and state taxes withheld. You'll also need your Social Security number and your employer's 9-digit employer identification number, or EIN, which is printed on the W-2. Having these key pieces of information organized will make the online filing process smooth and efficient. There are several reliable ways to file your W-2 online. Many people opt for commercial tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block, which guide you step by step. Alternatively, if your adjusted gross income is below a certain threshold, typically around $79,000, you might qualify for the IRS Free File program, offering free guided tax preparation. Whichever method you choose, carefully input all the figures from your W-2 into the corresponding fields. The final, critical step is to meticulously review your entire tax return before submission. Double-check all numbers, especially your Social Security number, bank account information for direct deposit, and the W-2 figures. Many online platforms offer an error check feature, which is highly recommended. Once you are confident everything is correct, electronically sign your return and click Submit. You will typically receive a confirmation email within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.